Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we are on the Nodepay app, and this time around we are looking at the medals collection. And on the medal collection, the focus for today is on the Herond browser supporter medal, and that's for users who have completed the Herond browser task. So what we want to do in this video is to show you how to complete the Herond browser supporter medal task and grab the medal. Now, first things first, you need to understand that this medal, once you commence the action, complete it, you need to wait for 14 days, use it for 14 days, then they'll verify and then you'll be handed the medal. Like for me now, you see that I've got the bandwidth provider medal, I've got and then the bandwidth provider medal is actually for those who have accumulated 100 hours of network connection. Then the proof of humanhood medal is awarded to users who have successfully proved that they are human. Then our early medal is awarded to users with the I was early role on Discord. So this one I have to go and work with it or on it inside of Discord. Then the founder medal is awarded to users with veteran, founder, or new founder role on Discord. Then Node Intel Tester medal is awarded to users with Node Tester role on Discord. And then of course 10 successful referrals are awarded to users who have successfully invited 10 users to Nodepay using their referral link. All right. So Herond provide so Herond browser supporter medal, as I read out earlier, is for users who have completed the Herond browser task. And so how do we complete the Herond browser supporter task? So you just click on it. You will do this on the desktop computer, on your computer, right? That's the desktop, not mobile. So this one can only be completed on mobile. And take note that you can't run Nodepay successfully without the desktop version, because the mobile version is still limited. You can download the mobile app from Google Play Store, but you won't be able to do wallet connection on your mobile because it's not enabled there yet. And for you to receive your airdrop, you must connect your wallet. So you still have to resort back to the desktop version. So, and there are some tags that you find here that you can't find yet on the mobile app. I'm still searching to see if I can see these badges, all right, on the mobile app. But for now, let's concentrate on it. Step one is to First step to unlocking the medal. Step one is to download the Herond browser. Step two, install and create a Herond account using the same email address used for the opening of the Nodepay accounts, and then use the browser for 14 days. I mentioned that already. Step three, once the campaign has ended and verification of your participation, you will be able to claim the medal. So let's go ahead and start. Download. So it takes you to herond.org. So here we download the browser. This is a browser for Web 3.0. Embrace an uninterrupted, ad-free experience and navigate effortlessly across all your devices with ease. Herond browser is here to level up the web for everyone for free forever. So download. Alright, so I downloaded it to my downloads section. Find a okay, let me open the where I put glass and enter it there. So the download is completed, so just open the folder and install it. And here is it. Double click on it to install, or you right click and select install. Okay, so smart screen can't be reached right now. Check your internet connection. All right, Microsoft Defender is unreachable and can't help you decide if this app is okay. Run it anyway. So it appears the internet connection is actually poor this time. So what I'm going to do is pause the video. When we complete it, we will continue. All right, so the installation is complete. Right, and here's the message now. Would you like to pin Herond to your taskbar? Let me pin it. And then complete close this. And the next thing is to sign into Herond. For I believe it's either you sign in or you register. So get additional features, add all your devices, easily pick where you left off, stronger security, protect your passwords against phishing, and backup data, save your bookmarks, passwords, and more with sync. So let me sign in. So it's gonna this is likely gonna operate like Chrome. So I'll just sign in with my email. I will register. All right. So email not verified. So welcome ion@gmail.com, manage your info profile and all that. So just follow the instruction and go to your email now to do the verification. So here's the email. So I'll just tap on verify my mail here. That's from the Herond browser. Okay, so I'll go back to login and where is it? So yeah, I can refresh this. I'll just click on home. All right. Okay, so let me enter Nodepay here because that way I won't have to think of what can I do with it. At least I know that my Nodepay has to be on each day. Okay, so Herond Shields block one tracker on on app.ai on app.nodepay.ai. Click here to view the shield. So I'll just click here so that's okay. So it blocks it. So what I will need to do is to just click here on the advanced and ask it to allow it. You get that? So then you can now set up all the other things here so that to protect the browser. This operates just like Brave from what I'm seeing you're right here now. So I'll now log in. Okay, these are the extensions. So I will need to bring in the let me just go to manage extensions so I can install the Nodepay extension here. So I will search for I'll go to extend the store, Chrome's web store. All right, so a couple of okay, here is it here. So I'll just click on this. So add to Chrome. All right, so as you can see now, I've finally logged into my account using the around the browser. All right, so okay, this is 3 points on our X follow. Okay, so all right, so I think I already added. I'm already following NotePay on X, so I think there will be no need for me to go on this because I already am there. So let me just close this, and if I scroll down the page here, you will see this is the dashboard. Okay, so let's check the missions and rewards page. Okay, so this is where I think I should see that. So if you go to the social page, that's it, social, here is it, yeah. So under the social, connect your Discord, social engagement missions. Okay, X. So all these are already connected. So there's no need for me to go follow on X again because I already did all that. All right, so that is it. So now I'll be using my Nodepay on the Herond browser, and in the next 14 days, I will receive that badge. And I'll probably continue using it because this is just almost like Brave, but and I'm going to take some time to sync it with my Google Chrome. All right. Thank you very much for watching and paying attention. Go ahead and implement this so that you can also get your Herond browser badge and give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let us see in the next video. Thank you, and may God bless you.